morning, everybody. I've got a new activity planned for today. Something we're going to work on is leaf prints. Very simple activity that anybody can do outside. I'm going to lay that away. What we need are our brushes. Oops. A cup of water to clean our brushes. We all get to pick out our favorite leaves. I've already got a few here from my demonstration. We've got paper towels to clean ourselves. Of course, our canvas paper. And best of all, paint. As you can see, mine's a little messy. I already had made one with my demonstration. Let me show you again. These are just various size leaves, painted in different colors. And it gives the impression that it's a stamp, which is kind of like printing something on your own. So now, let's get to the demonstration. I'm gonna go ahead and use some leaves I've already used before. You can pick up to 3 leaves and 3 colors. I like blues, so I'm probably just gonna do 2 colors, blue and gray. So you want your darker colors to be the first ones you apply. That way, the top lighter colors will stand out and won't get lost in your dark color. So lay it down, gently press it down, get all the corners down. Then you're going to grab the stem and just peel it up. Doesn't have to be perfect. That's the good thing about art. Just go at it and have some fun. I'm going to do one more in a dark blue. We'll mix in maybe a little green. We've got plenty of colors. I've offered yellow, orange, red, purple, blue, green, pink, black. I'm actually going to do, like I said, just blues and grays. I may need to add a little more paint. This leaf's already had some paint on it, so I'm going to get it good and saturated. Maybe add a little purple. It's art, so you can't go wrong with it. Lay down your corners. Got another stamp. Best thing about it, you get to get messy too. Okay, now I've got my 2 colors. Now I'm going to go with a gray tint. Maybe brighten it up a bit. If we have enough paint, I may have to get a little more. And you guys will be at your own picnic tables. You'll have your own brushes and your own paints. If by chance you can't get it to press down, I'm going to show you a trick so the leaf will actually press down onto the paper equally. So I've got this big leaf. It's a lighter color, so it's not going to drown out the back color. What I'm going to do, it's a big leaf, it curls. I'm just going to dab it with my other sponge. That's probably good enough. Let's see what happens. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Sort of matches. Let's get some more gray. Now if you're picky, you may just want to put maybe 2 colors, but for purposes of demonstration, I've got all my colors laid out here. And I'm actually going to grab a new leaf. I think that's off my wife's dogwood. It's actually better if you go with the vein side as well, the underside of the leaf. So there we go. Got my paint. Now this one's going to curl, so I'm going to use my sponge again. Just lay it out. If I can get a hold of it with the fingers. And this time, I'm just going to stamp it down a bit. Now this one should probably turn out pretty good. Let's see what happens. Oh yeah, there's our dogwood. What else have we got? Let's try this little guy right here. We'll go back gray again. We'll get the underside of the leaf with the vein. I think that one will probably lay flat. Let's try it without our hands, without the sponge, sorry. Put it right here. This is the funnest part of the activity, is getting paint all over you. Hopefully everybody brought their old t-shirt. If not, I'll have aprons. Now, let's do one more, and I'll add one more color to it. You can't go wrong with a little bit of yellow and blue, maybe a little green. Let's see what this one turns into. And I'll put just a little bit of purple and pink at the bottom of it. We'll see what that does. We'll put it in our empty space right there. I'm gonna go back to my extra sponge. Actually, that's got paint on it. I couldn't keep them separated. Let's see what we get with that one. That one didn't turn out very well. But luckily, you're going to get in small groups. You're going to brainstorm and practice. Think about how you want it to look, the leaf size, the colors. And there's a sample of your finished product. We'll talk about it later. You tell me your favorite part about the project. And then we'll have a little bit of free time for you guys to hang out if we get finished. Hope you guys enjoyed.